Hello and welcome today with me, Alerts. I've been playing around with RPG Maker 2000. I know this game engine very old. I grabbed it on Steam during the sale, it was so cheap. So I decided to give it a try. This is a new map. There's no map in it or new project, right? So as soon as you get in, you want to start new project. So, I mean, yeah, maybe you want to do like this and then you go start new project, project 4. Okay, now you got a map with full of water. So this is your first map, right? You know what to do, so play around with design on what you want to do on your first map, something like that. So yeah, so once you're done to create your design, you got like the second layer. The second layer is which put like some kind of city, castle, something you want to put it, and it doesn't affect the first layer. And then the third layer is your scripting. Yes, scripting. Okay, so you got the basic. So you play around with it, but then you want to go more advanced with the editing or scripting layer. So in this old game engine, you don't have the script, custom script that you can make for this, except for using the game engine itself to create script. Let's say create. It's called eventing or event. I call it eventing most of the time. So let's say you want to make an opening with different classes, different character, right? So what I do is make a new map, make a smaller map, and then what to do here is using this one. This one will empty the background, and this select to fill as usual. So pink means transparent. So if it's transparent, that means you cannot walk or do anything about it around there unless you have the system for it. Let me, okay, go event. Set most of the time before you want to start, you want to set player position. If not, this will happen. Yep, player position wasn't specified, but I shouldn't use it. Okay, new game. Player position was specified. So if you put your player position here, you can see them out there. You can move around. It's pretty satisfying. And then let's say if you put them here, you cannot move because it's empty. So yeah. So this is the transparent layer if you use the pink color on the last one. Okay. So let's say you want to make a new game and start somewhere around, you want to make a custom starting game, right? So this is the background. Go to setting, system, turns it off. You don't have any character when you start new game. Yes. So it's just blank. Okay, you done with that? Now let's move on. So now you go right click, create event. Let's say okay, if make sure it's auto run. I mostly use auto run. I'm not the expert yet, but I haven't tried parallel process yet. I mostly use auto run. Auto run is more easy to execute the events. So let's say auto run when you're starting game because your character was here. and make sure like welcome to RPG Maker 2000. So you got RPG Maker 2000. Yeah, it's safe. You can check it out. Welcome to RPG Maker 2000, and it keeps repeating. So in order to counter that, what you need to do is make a switch. So switch, I fully understand switch, but variable I'm still learning on it. Most of the time, one of my game that I create is depend on switch alone, less variable. But yeah, but I'll use variable on party system. So that's what my understanding of switches. And it's hard to find like this old game engine tutorial to do advanced scripting or custom character scripting. Let's get on with it. Um, right. So welcome RPG Maker to 2000. This is the first text you see, and then what you want to do is that you want to hide the screen, and then you transfer player to your world map where you want your player to spawn it during the first after the first intro that you created. So hide screen, it's better to put like fade out, fade in, or if you wanna prolong the fade animation, just go to there and then wait. So as you can see, 1 equal to 0.1 second. So if you put 10 equal to 1 second. So you want to transfer. Once you transfer, before you can transfer, you fade out the screen, change party member. So this will create specific heroes or party members on your first character which you want to do. So let's say you want to put Alex in the first, and Alex will appear, but we couldn't see it in screen because the screen is hiding from us. So once transfer done, and then you want to go to section 2, show screen fade in. So now we got our first, no, once fade in done, and you go to insert, control switch variable, change your switch variable. So make sure to separate your switch which one you want to put. Like let's say you want this switch to be your cutscene. Let's say these first 20 switches you want to use as cutscene, and 21 you want to use as a item something, and then character or something. Depends. Just make sure to separate them so you won't be confused. So I want to make my first switch will be intro as a cutscene. This is an intro. So mostly 1 to 20, I will be putting all intro stuff over here. Now intro on, and then what you want to do is new pages, switch to intro on. So after you get transfer, this switch will be off. Right? This switch will be off and turns on, and nothing's on there, means there's no script running after the auto run. It's just finish scripting, the finish event of the first script. So if you did not remove this one, I don't think you'll be able to move at all. You will be seeing the difference. This game. Now you got Alex in party. But yeah, make sure to turn on the switch just in case you might encounter something. So you got intro on. Okay. So you're done. Or if you want to make more different stuff, you can do like, hey, become RPG Maker, then make choices. So you want a male, second choice would be female. So male, then you want to put like character party member to Alex, and then change character party member to Carol. So you got male and female protagonists for your intro or starting character selection. Once done, all you gotta do is just transfer something. But for me, I do copy and paste when I'm done. uh, cut to paste here. Just be careful with this event stuff. Take it slow, learning. So either way, these choices will change the character party member. Okay, and then you wanna copy both of these here to finish the script of the intro, just in case. Right. Because I because on earlier, if you didn't put a intro on it, I will show you again. So now we got pretty much character selection we want to do, male or female. So if you select male, you got Alex. So if you select female, so if you select female, you got Carol. Ta-da! It's pretty simple. I mean, for me, it's pretty simple. So take your time learning. Uh, Try to understand the eventing of this game engine. I did go to internet search, but a lot of stuff is not that good. It's hard to find. So especially when you want to create a party system. So eventually, I just keep testing all the eventing stuff, playing with it as I'm making my games. Yeah. So once you're done, so mostly use this. Let's say when you, okay, so yeah, I will show you like auto run. So put like hello. Now you got auto run on. So as soon as your character transfer, the event will auto run it. So make ML. Hello, hello, hello. So you cannot even control your character. So this is the problem. So you need to make sure the switch is turned on. Let's say you got like switch, hello switch. So don't turn on this one yet. So you want to turn on hello. Go to control switch variable and hello. Turn on, and then you need to put hello. What? I'm so dumb. Okay. Just double check every event you do most of the time. Hello. And then it's done. You can move around now. So that's the basic of what I do for my intro or cutscene. Okay, let's say you already do. Yeah, maybe I would do like a character party system set to who am I gonna use? So this is pretty simple if you understand enough of it. Okay, where is my mate? Made in heaven. I'm gonna use this mate. Maybe put like change facet. Maybe put like, hello, do you wanna access character character par party system? So I created this. I mean, I did saw somebody do like a Final Fantasy 6 character party system, but yeah, you need to do a lot of stuff with that. So I do like a NPC style and then put like show choices. If yes, if you select yes, then hide screen. I mean, visual if you want to teleport some player to secret places or something. Then go to map 1. So we're back again to map 1. So map 1 and then show screen. Okay, yes, now you get teleport. But now you cannot walk or access access any movement. This is the problem with the transparent transparent tile set. So what you wanna do is go to here and then maybe change your basic. Go to tile set, basic, made it to possibility to circle. So I think you can walk from here now. Now you can walk around. It's just pretty simple and yeah, make sure to check the database and play around with it. I still don't. So this is probably the encounter system that you want to do, or if you want to make your ship or anything to pass on this terrain, because there's no vehicle unless you change the system vehicle to tank or something. Then you need to, let's say you want to put a boat as a tank, change this as a land vehicle. You need to go to terrain and then you need to check everything except the water, so you cannot bypass the water. Okay, so this is my character party system which I implemented for my testing. And yeah, so yeah, so I just copy and paste this one, make my life easier. I mean, you want to create new one, that's no problem. So maybe like, oh, are you done? So if yes, then transfer back to here again. Okay, so we are done. We are done with the teleporting stuff. Now what we gonna do is create which party we want. So let's say we want Helen to be on party. It's pretty much Helen. So you want Helen to be in your party, or if you want to like, hey, invite me to party. Show choices. Yes. So if yes, or you want to put some extra text, it's up to you. I'm just gonna show you basic how to use the switch stuff which I fully understand of, and you want to put like Helen party or something, as long as you remember what does this thing. Yeah, I don't want to mix with this one, so I just gonna do a good example. Yes, this is the cutscene. This is your party system. Helen party. Helen party is on. If no, nothing's happened, right? So you wanna create a new page for this one. Make sure to turn this on, and then she will be gone. Or if you want to put like extra high screen show, it's up to you. And she will be gone. Make sure to change this tile set to transparent. So at here, you want to put Helen over here. So this is how I make my party system. I'm so dumb. You want to make sure that after you done making accepting her as party request, she will be available. So this screen will be 0. After I tick on the switch, she won't be there, except for that mate that I made. Okay, so she's turned on and she's gone. Now you got this party system, yes. Now you got Helen back on screen. So from here, what you wanna do is playing with conditional branch. Yes. So yeah, we don't have any party member yet. I mean, this is a new game that we made. Okay. So you want to change party. Change party member at at Helen over there. Turn it off. So now you got Helen in party. So Helen party, you cannot access to her unless you go back to your party system. So we're gonna do few of these until we get more party member. Maybe change the sprite. So what do we have? What do we have? See, put Gomez in it. So this will be Gomez. I mean, it's better to put them as the same sprite with the actor sprite. So you only need to change this one to Gomez. And then what's next? Let's see, Falcon. Change this one to Falcon. Oh, make sure to change this name too if you need to do something with it later. So you got Falcon. Now, now what you gotta do is change all the script. So you got Gomez in party. Gomez in party switch turned on. Gomez party gone. There we go. And then you got Falcon. Maybe Falcon party. Falcon party on. I mean, some typos. I mean, don't mind. So everything is done. Now you want to make the 5th member. Oh, okay, interesting. But you cannot invite because there's a limit, right? Let's see. So let's see what kind of party member can we get. NU. Yes. Put some fighter. Go to actor. Find NU. There you got NU. Put NRU. Turn on NRU. But for me, the fifth fighting member, so you need to decide when you play. For me, you need to decide when you play a certain character. So if you want to put like these three as your main character, the first three, then the fourth one you'll be removed. Just turn it on, and you just copy and paste. 2, 3, 4. There you go. Change to Gomez sprite. Gomez party on. So this one will be changing to Enryu. Enryu party on. And this one you want to change to Falcon. So Falcon party on. So we haven't done anything here yet. We're just making sure they all appear in the character system that you made. Okay, so you want to put like 3. It depends on you. Either you can make a hub or specific town for them to recruit to be a party member or stuff. But I like to keep that in my party system. And yeah, so the fourth one depends on you if you want to use this kind of system. But I use this kind of system. And then what you want to do is show you. But I want to use on my old project. I'm gonna show you a little, explain a little, and then yeah. So basically, Gomez is in the party, and yes or no, choice. So branch in for yes or no in the condition yes system. So if you select yes, then it will check the party. If it's lesser than 1, so you need to set your party member to 0 first. I mean, the first party will be 0. So if you add to 1, you will get 1 party member. And then remove party will be -1 variable. So yeah, and then put like script here, then no. I put it like this. Change name. And then so this everything is done, and now you got like if else if Gomez is not in the party, then the party will be, then you will give you show choice yes and no. So if yes, make sure to check the party is not more than 3, because yeah, so you got 3 party member will be +1 variable, and 1 for your main will be 0 variable. And it will check like, oh, you got 3 party member, the party is full, or else it will just, oh yes, add Gomez and +1 to your variables party join. Yes, so yeah, I will show you on my previous party system which I created. Yeah, this is the party system that I made. So everything here is just copy paste. So you got like basically 80, 80 party member. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's just show you like how I did my party system. Hey, you're boring of this, like the first main character sprite that you have, right? Just put like, okay, Alex. So this switch should not be on, and yeah, just check Alex is on your party member. If yes, then remove Alex from your party, or and then got a name change selection for Alex if you want to, and else if she Alex doesn't is not in party, then yes, double check party variable size, and then you got Alex. So let's go. Make sure they're all in the party again and again. So yeah, remove. Now Alex is removed. Alex is joined back because we don't have any character switching in this engine. So yes, this is how I make my party system. Or you can just do it like, hey, you don't want to you want this character to be specific on this place, right? So copy page, and there you go. Paste your page here. So maybe put them on a unique dialog or something. I will change my position here. Hopefully the script doesn't interrupt me. Okay, I don't have any party member now. My first party. So you need to be careful when you do this stuff. Yep. So you want to remove this one. Oh, okay. As you can see, the script went another script for this one because yeah, you can see it's being removed. So that's how you do the party system manually, unless you want to do like choices, like a party, maybe do like range, put like party, and then this party will be like a another choices, Alex, and so on. You just play around with it, and then you get used to it. So yeah, I mean a lot of people looking for this party system, how to make it more easier. But I prefer to use the sprite system for each individual actors that you can play as a party system instead of one, because even if choice was made, you only have like three limited choice. You say you got Party, Carol, and then you got Gomez, and choice four. You only got four choices, and then you want to do like next, and which gonna let a lot of confusion for yourself. Yes, and then you put on the choices, and then you go back next, and it will be like, oh my goodness, that's crazy. If you have like a huge party member, so this is the most simplest way I made. So either way, if you want a party system over there, you can do it. Just make sure once you check the quest, the switch over here to turn on this switch to make sure this event have this kind of stuff. So yeah, I think that's it. I can teach you the rest. I think the rest you can find except for the party member system, party system that I made. I try to find on YouTube, but there's no tutorial for it. Yeah. So yeah, uh, hope you guys enjoy and leave a comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and for your time. So I'll be. I mean, I finished my game making project on 2000 already. So I'm gonna jump to 2003 next time, try to figure out something new, something interesting. I will keep you guys up to date. I won't be showing any tutorial for this one anymore because I'm done with this game engine with the limited time set. I'm not good at sprite editing. So yeah.